What up, people, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very sorry for not posting in a while, and yeah, today I am back and now I'm going to be DIYing these shorts and turn it into a new outfit. So as you can see here, I took out the pockets from the front because I didn't think it looked good for this outfit, so yeah. So I was thinking about it and I thought I would just turn this into high-waisted shorts and then turn the excess pieces for the top. If you were thinking about the pockets and what should I do with them, the truth is I don't really know, so I'm just gonna work with it on the process and maybe get some ideas. To be honest, it's actually my first time DIYing these kind of stuff, so don't judge me if it's a little bit rusty at first because I'm still trying to get hang of it, and yeah. So without further ado, let's get started. So yeah, here's my trusty dusty scissors with me. So yeah, I'm pretty nervous. Look at me, I don't really know where to cut, so yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it here just below where the pockets were before. So now I am going to mark it because I don't want to cut the wrong line and I just want it to be precise and not a fail since this is my first DIY. And yeah, right now I am lining it down so that it would be easier to cut. So I went and folded in half and then pinned it so that the fabric wouldn't move, and then I pinned the sides of the line that I'm supposed to be cutting and then also the sides of the fabric so that it wouldn't move. So I'm starting to cut it, snip, 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 and then separate. For the excess piece, we're gonna move it to the side and then focus on the shorts first. So here's what it looks like. I'm wearing it at the moment and it's too big for me, and by the way, credits to my brother. Hello, I stole your shorts. So yeah, it is pretty big, and then we're going to fix that. So I measured it, so I'm going to be taking 3 centimeters from both sides of the shorts. So I'm marking on both sides of my shorts, and that's where I'm going to be cutting. So then I placed my ruler on the mark I put in before and then put it diagonally in 17 centimeters. So now I'm straightening the shorts and then I'm going to be cutting on the line that we just draw. So right now I'm taking these belt holders out. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, we're going to be taking these out because it's on the way when we stitch the actual shorts. Okay, now finally I'm going to be cutting the sides of the shorts into the line that we drawn before. So now I am sewing it finally. I know it took a minute or so. So I went and sewed it one more time so that the shorts would be more sturdy and safer to wear, I guess. Maybe. For the ends of the shorts, we don't want it to have rough edges, so we're going to be folding it 2 times, and then now I've pinned it and then sew it. So we have here the shorts all complete now, so we're now going to move on to the top, which is way more complicated than this. So let's go and do it. So I have these 2 pieces right here and I'm going to be cutting this in half because I don't like what it's looking at the front, but still I'm going to keep the 2 lines at the sides and I'm going to be stitching at the top, and then yeah, this is going to be a tube because I think I'm running out of fabric that it's really lacking right now. So my first idea wasn't working, so I cut this 2 strap thingies. I don't know, but these 2 lines at the sides, yeah, I'm going to be cutting that because I want it to be at the front because I think it looks cool. So this is what it kind of looks like at the front because I want the body shape to be more visible. So now I'm sewing all of that together to make the front of the top. So I got this zipper on my very, 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 very messy sewing box. So yeah, I am going to be cutting it a bit shorter, so I'm going to be stitching it and then cutting it. Now I'm sewing on the zipper on my extra pieces of fabric that I cut off earlier from the like just lines at the sides or something. So remember the pockets that I took from earlier, so I'm going to be taking that apart and then going to stitch it the opposite way. So I'm going to be using this as the side of my top because maybe it makes more dimensions or something. I don't know, I just got an idea. I hope it works though. So at the top of my top, I'm going to be stitching it by folding it once to remove those rough edges. So I took the front of my top and then combined the pockets for the sides, so it looks like that. Can't really explain it, but yeah, it looks like that. So I took the back piece with the zipper on it and then folded it in half and then removed the rough edges on the sides because it's going to be a bit visible because of the pockets being on the side, so it's uneven. So now finally combining all those together and we're done. So now I'm just snipping off the excess threads. Voila! And that's the outfit all complete. So from that big and my brother's shorts, I've turned it into something creative, and then I hope you guys like it because I certainly do. And if you guys wanted to see it more closely, here are the individuals from the top and the bottom. And here's how it looks while wearing it. I love it. Like, this did not turn into a fail at all. It's actually a really big success, and because it's my first DIY, I hope you guys really like it because I really like it. And thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for another video. Bye bye.